Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in Volvo XC40. We will also show you which way the air flows in this vehicle. This will help you to install the filter properly. Open the glove box. Inside you will see two hooks on two sides. You have to pull them up. They will come off like this. Then the glove box will go down. Behind you will see this cover. There are two clips here that hold it in place, and then you'll be able to take the cover off. And underneath this cover there'll be another one, guys, and in this case you have to push these clips down, and then the cover, you will be able to open this cover. Underneath the cover is our cabin air filter. You can simply pull it out and here it is. As for the airflow, guys, in this vehicle the air flows from top to the bottom, which is indicated on the side of the filter. You will see the air and the airflow direction, and this is how you're supposed to install it. Also, on the top of the filter you will see dirt, debris, which again means that the air flows from top to the bottom. And to confirm it even further, we'll do a simple test. We will start the vehicle and turn the air conditioning on. Right now we have the airflow. I have a piece of paper which I will insert inside without the cabin air filter. And let's see what happens, guys. You can probably see that the air pushes our paper down, which again means that the air flows from top to the bottom in this vehicle. One more try. When you install the new filter, the side where you see the airflow direction should be on the right, like this, and then lift this cover and align the filter and start pushing it inside. Reinstall this cover. The three hooks should go underneath the plastic like this. Then it snaps back in place. That's it. Our replacement is complete.